too. This is his first time. Remember your first time? It's pretty magical.
Do you remember your first time? Here you go, Bear Bear. I think you're going to like these. They're candies.
You have to pour them in your mouth.
Don't make no messes.
Don't get slobber in there. It'll stick together. Just pour it in your mouth. You want me to do it? You got it?
They're like nerds.
There. Yeah.
There you go. Tip your head back. Not all of them. You'll die.
Not supposed to chew on them.
It's not.
Why are you not supposed to?
I don't think you got enough of them.
You got two. I heard two pops.
Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue.
That's so many.
Don't chew on them.
What? I hear that sound all the time when I have
Do you like them? What do you think of it? Open your mouth again.
Are they popping? Want some more? I know, they're addictive. Pop rock.
I want strawberry one, please.
Stick out your tongue.
Open your mouth. Isn't that awesome?
Here you go.
I know.
What do you think?
Strawberry
Say la 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 la.